Everyone. Today's video is about the topic the hidden side of innovation. Its speaker is Francisco Marconi, and it was published in April 2012. It discusses a new trend where developed countries are led by the developing countries in creating innovative, low cost solutions that are subsequently adopted by the richer nations. So, in the key points, the first is the reverse innovation, which is the core concept, where innovations flow from developing to developed countries, and this concept is supported by the examples. First of all, a portable ultrasound machine, which is developed in China by the company General Electric, which costs 20 times less than its US counterpart, is now used by paramedics in US. Secondly, the most famous Indian company Tata, it has created a Swatch, which is a water purifier, uh, costs around $22, using natural materials and nanotechnology, with no requirement of electricity to address the need for clean water. Similarly, in Kenya, students developed a $4.5 bicycle powered smart charger for cell phones, which inspired Nokia to create a similar variant for the European market. Then the speaker discusses the impact on economics. This trend benefits the poor in developing countries, but it presents challenges for the middle class in developed countries. So, he presents the principles for future innovation to foster wealth and innovation. The speaker says, first, a principle should be simplicity, that innovation should aim for simplicity, requiring investment in research and education. Secondly, the social and local needs. Businesses should align economic goals with the social needs by focusing on local problems. For example, financial security, aging, and clean environment. So, this approach is presented not as a philanthropy, but as a new form of capitalism where greed is used for good. So overall, this video presents a very variable framework for understanding a significant shift in global innovation, encouraging a re-evaluation of where and how impactful solutions can emerge. Its strength lies in its clear articulation of the concept, and with its illustrative examples, though a deeper exploration of complexities and potential pitfalls would enhance its analytical depth. Thank you.